The NASA Space Shuttle program stands as one of the greatest achievements in the history of space exploration because it introduced the world's first reusable spacecraft, capable of carrying astronauts and large payloads into orbit. NASA built 6 space shuttle orbiters, each with its own unique story and contribution to space science. The first was Enterprise, which served as the prototype and was used only for atmospheric approach and landing tests and never flew into space. The second was Columbia, the first operational Space Shuttle, which successfully launched on April 12, 1981, beginning the shuttle era and completed 28 missions before it was tragically lost during re-entry in 2003. The third was Challenger, which became known for expanding shuttle operations and completed 10 successful missions before it was lost just 73 seconds after liftoff on January 28, 1986. The fourth was Discovery, the most flown space shuttle in history, completing an impressive 39 missions, including launching the Hubble Space Telescope, returning John Glenn to space, and leading several international space station missions. The fifth was Atlantis, which completed 33 successful missions and carried out the final Space Shuttle mission in July 2011, marking the end of the shuttle program. The sixth was Endeavour, built to replace Challenger, and completed 25 successful missions, playing a major role in constructing the International Space Station and servicing the Hubble Space Telescope. Together, these 6 remarkable space shuttles transformed human spaceflight by carrying more than 850 astronauts from around the world, deploying satellites, conducting scientific research, building the International Space Station, and inspiring millions of people to dream about exploring the universe. Their legacy continues to shape modern space exploration and future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond.